Today I'm revealing something that might shock you, a position you're probably in right now that's slowly harming your heart, brain, and spine. Most people do it every single day, at their desk, in their car, even while scrolling on their phones. What if I told you this one simple habit could make you tired, foggy, and even raise your blood pressure without you ever realizing it? Stay with me. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to undo years of damage and keep your body performing like it was designed to. What is this position? Let's start with what this worst position really looks like. It's called forward head posture, or tech neck. Head dropped forward, shoulders rounded, back curved. Every inch your head moves forward adds about 10 extra pounds of pressure on your neck and spine. That's like hanging a bowling ball from your head all day long. Think you're sitting comfortably right now? Wait till you see what your spine looks like in this position. This position doesn't just hurt your neck, it impacts your entire system, from your heart to your brain. Impact on the heart. When you slouch, your chest compresses and your rib cage collapses. Your lungs can't expand fully, which means your heart has to work harder to deliver oxygen throughout the body. That extra strain raises your blood pressure and reduces circulation efficiency, silently exhausting your cardiovascular system. If you often feel tired or short of breath, it might not be stress or age. It might be the way you're sitting right now. A study from the Journal of Physical Therapy Science showed that people with forward posture had significantly lower vital lung capacity than those who sat upright. Demonstration. Take a deep breath while slouched. Now sit tall and breathe again. Feel that difference? That's your heart thanking you. Fixing this one posture could lower your heart strain instantly. I'll show you how in just a bit. Impact on the brain. Your brain runs on oxygen. When posture collapses, oxygen drops, and so does your focus. This is why people with poor posture often complain of mental fog, headaches, and low mood. Think your posture doesn't affect your mood? Watch this. A study in health psychology found that people sitting upright felt more positive and energetic, while slouchers felt tired and defeated. When you sit tall, you actually stimulate your reticular activating system, the brain's energy switch. So the next time you reach for coffee, try straightening up. You might just give your brain the boost it's been craving. Impact on the spine. Your spine is your body's highway. Every nerve passes through it. But when your head leans forward, that highway starts to collapse. The discs between your vertebrae compress, nerves get irritated, and posture muscles weaken. That neck pain you keep ignoring? It's not just tension. It's your spine begging for help. Over time, forward head posture leads to chronic pain, reduced mobility, and even premature spinal arthritis. Demonstration. Stand against a wall. Heels, hips, and shoulders touching. Now gently tuck your chin until the back of your head meets the wall. That's what good alignment feels like. It's never too late to fix this. But the longer you wait, the harder it becomes. Long-term damage. Ignoring posture doesn't just affect your back. It can disrupt your digestion, balance, and even mental health. When your torso compresses, your organs don't have room to function properly, leading to bloating, reflux, and fatigue. Ever feel tired right after eating? Your posture during meals might be the reason. Your body was designed to move, not fold over. Every hour you spend slouched is training your body to age faster. Here's the truth. Posture doesn't just change how you look. It changes how every cell in your body works. Fixing the damage, the good news? You can correct this starting today. No gym, no equipment. Try these. Chin tucks. Pull your chin back. Hold 5 seconds. Shoulder blade squeeze. Pinch your shoulder blades together. Wall angels. Arms up. Slide up and down against the wall. A minute rule. Every 30 minutes, get up and move. Do this for just 2 minutes and you'll feel lighter. Instantly. Ergonomic tips. Screen at eye level. Hips slightly above knees. Raise your phone. Don't lower your head. Your next posture check could be the turning point for your heart and brain health. Your posture is your body's foundation. When you protect it, your body rewards you with energy, focus, strength, and longevity. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to stay aware. Stand tall, breathe deeply, move often. Because the moment you straighten your spine, everything in your body starts to align. Thank you for watching. Take care of your posture, your heart, your brain, and your spine.